My name is Vladimir Djurdjevic. I'm working on Faculty of Physics, University of Belgrade. One of the main points for our region is that people started to understand what the climate services are, how they can help them in their jobs or their operations and everything. And the major topics for our region is similar to other ones. We still trying to understand what is the best way to use the climate data to solve some complex issue related to the infrastructure, related to the agriculture, related to the health, etc. And the things going on, the things are happening, and we hope that in the future this kind of uptake of climate data that we all know there exists somewhere, how to do this uptake and how to use it in a best way, because we produce a great amount of data and still not all of the data are really used in a way that can be used. Within the CPN, we developed several, let's say, art projects related to the climate change. Some of them are developed during the Climate Europe 2 project. One is the Milena. Milena is a, let's say, installation in which you enter the phone booth and you learn about your future depending from where you come and your birthday. It's some kind of orphan place which is driven by AI. So the idea is that you understand how your personal climate will look like in the future depending where you live and what you are doing. And it's some kind of climate service that is targeting you as a person. Maybe it's a little bit similar like a fortune teller or maybe horoscope or something like that. So it is very interesting. Another one is the video installation. And the video installation is also trying to help people to better understand where they can find, let's say, climate data around their cells in daily life. So how we understand this evolution of the climate change. And from that evolution of the climate change, we realized that because the climate changes so rapidly, we need to know what is happening around us. And for me, that video installation telling us also that part of the story, that climate data is all around us and we're living almost in that data and the climate is changing every day, and we need to be aware about these changes. And also the climate capsule, I think it is upgraded during the project. The climate capsule is also some kind of small theater show, immersive experience. And there is also some smaller project that was developed during Climate 2 project. And from our perspective, from perspective of CPN and myself, let's say, this way of communicating climate and climate services using some non-traditional tools, let's say, in terms of communications, is very important, because it probably can help us to reach wider audience, because people are not so happy when they see graphs and numbers and tables, but maybe they will be a little bit more happy if they see something more familiar to them, presented in the artistic way.